Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, please do not forget to click that subscribe button down below and the post notification button next to the subscribe button. So welcome back guys. I hope you guys are doing well during this quarantine and this corona. So as you guys can see, I'm in my car. It's because I have so many errands to run today. I'm going to be redoing my bedroom today. Yeah, I'm looking a little crazy today, but like bruh. So right now I'm going to the UPS store to return these Amazon stuff. 4 items from Amazon. They weren't good, they weren't working. I got these cords for my ring light, but they're not good for my ring light, so I'm going to return them. And these curtains also, it was too thin because people can see in my room if I put these curtains, so I'm gonna return it also. So yeah, the Union Township is having the BLM protest. Wow, there's actually a lot of people. Look at this. There is a lot of people. Okay guys, so now I'm back. Oh my god. Oh, I look a hot mess. It's not even funny, bruh. Look at my hair. But oh well. This is the crime scene, unfortunately. Oh my gosh, my room has so many. This is the table for the vanity table. And I bought my carpet already. Well, I still need to, like, you know, vacuum it. And I got my bedding sheets and stuff. Oh god, don't mind the wig, okay? My curtains is still not here, so the only thing I'm not gonna put on today is the curtains because they're not here. It's coming on Thursday. Oh, I guess we're going to start now. So since I didn't start yet, I'm gonna be drinking my Labui Avoine. I don't know what's it called in English. I think it's oatmeal porridge or something like that. But for all my Haitians, mommy. Et jus d'eau? Yo.
Hello?
My mom said, where you at?
Huh?
My mom said, where you at?
I'm at the house.
This is Libola Kaila.
Mda pou lo ba am kwa telefon nou?
Telefon man si se was telefon pou
La min sa mde do la voyen so. Kon fè nego so tou ba am di piyes moun soti.
Hein?
Kon fè moun nou e la. Ki sa mde do la voyen so?
It's always the youngest. Always the youngest. But anyway, so oh my god. Yo, I need a major facial like cleans or something like that, but oh my god, my face. good night, guys. We're gonna continue in the morning because it's like 1 o'clock in the morning, so I really need to go to sleep, guys. So okay, good night, guys. Gonna put my pillows first, so we'll continue this tomorrow. Peace out. Alright, so yesterday I stopped recording because I was really sleepy, so I went to sleep. So that's why I didn't finish my room. Actually, I finished over here, but I still haven't done the shoe closet yet. So that's what I'm going to do today. And pardon my wardrobe right now and my hair, but yeah, this is my safety natural hair, so don't mind how I'm looking right now, okay? Whatever.